Mayor Jim Holmes and District 1 Council member Andrea Barefield were sworn in for another 2-year term during a special Waco City Council meeting on Tuesday, May 12th. Newcomer Jed Cole was also sworn in to represent District 3. Councilmember Cole is a Waco native with a background in real estate development and investing. He also teaches at Baylor University and has played an active role in local development and civic initiatives. District 5 Councilmember George Chase was selected as Mayor Pro Tem at Tuesday's meeting. Join us in welcoming Councilmember Cole and in congratulating all 3 council members as they begin their new terms serving the City of Waco. On Friday, May 15th, the Waco Police Department joined surrounding McLennan County agencies at the Peace Officer Memorial Plaza in Indian Spring Park for the annual Peace Officer Memorial Service. The ceremony honors and remembers peace officers who lost their lives in the line of duty. Mayor Jim Holmes presented a proclamation recognizing the service and sacrifice of the fallen officers. And City Manager Ryan Holt delivered heartfelt remarks.
To the families here today, your loved ones were in the arena. They were committed to this community in the fullest sense of the word. Their sacrifice is not forgotten, not by this city, not by this county, and not by me. We're grateful, and we are committed to standing beside you, and to every name on this memorial, we will remember.
During the ceremony, the name of each fallen officer was read aloud as family members and fellow officers placed a rose at the base of the monument in their honor. Thank you to everyone who attended to support our fallen officers, their families, and the peace officer community. The wait is over. Waco's splash pads are back in action for the 2026 summer season. They are open daily from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Visit waco-texas.com/splash to find a splash pad in a park near you. Cool off and have some fun with the family. Construction continues on the Herring Avenue Bridge over the Brazos River. Starting Tuesday, May 26th, the westbound side of the bridge from North Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard to North University Parks Drive will be closed for about 1 month depending on weather and construction activities. A detour will be in place directing traffic to Waco Drive and up 4th Street to return to Herring Avenue. Once the westbound side is completed, the closure will shift to the eastbound side for about 2 months. Signage will continue to be posted directing traffic. For more information on detours and project updates, visit waco-texas.com/herringbridge. Thank you for your patience while we work on improving the long-term safety and reliability of Herring Avenue Bridge. On Friday, May 8th, the Waco Central Library hosted the Tales and Tales event, where visitors had a chance to spend some time with adoptable pets from Pet Circle Regional Animal Center. Thanks to everyone who stopped by to snuggle, play, and relax with the animals. If you missed it, visit petcirclewaco.org/events for upcoming opportunities. Or you can always find us off the circle to meet your new furry friend in person.